Morning guys. Today we are going to discussing about what is the steps and process of research problem. There are 8 steps. Now we are going to discuss it briefly. What are the various steps and process of research problem? Number 1 is formulation of research problem. Okay, what is it? Formulation of research problem. What are the various problems which came to the researchers' minds before going to conducting the research? It's called formulation of research problem. To which we are going to, the researcher is going to conducting his or her research. That is formulation of research problem. Number 2, suppose let us example. Let us take an example. What is formulation of research problem? Like someone going to conduct a research relating to the possibility causes of panic attack. What are the various possibility causes of panic attack? This is called formulation of research problem. This problem comes to the mind of the researcher, and now the researcher going to conduct various research relating to what are the various causes of panic attack. Okay, number 2 steps of research problem is review of literature. That means after formulation of research problem, now second step is review of literature. That means the expertise knowledge of particular problem before going to conducting research on the particular topic. That means expertise or gain some extra knowledge relating to the topic or the problem of research. This is called review of literature. Number 3 is development of hypothesis. It is very important because we don't know whether our research is going to be true or false. It may be we able to know in future whether our research is true or false. So we create now a hypothesis to make two conclusions, like null hypothesis or hypothesis. So that means whether we conducting our research, we don't know whether it is true or false, so we make an hypothesis to assuming that it may be true or may be false. Both. So number 4 is 4 steps of research problem is research design. Okay, research design. Number 1 is formulation of research problem. Number 2 is review of literature. Number 3 is development of hypothesis. Number 4 is research design. After development of hypothesis, we need to go decide whether we go to whether we need to conducting our research in practical field, in market, in open market, whether we going to conduct the research in a laboratory. That means in experimental research. Experimental research means we are going to conduct our research in a laboratory. So it is decided in research design whether the researcher want to conduct the research in the practical field or in a laboratory. Okay, and now the 5th step is collection of data. This is very important. Collection of data. After research design, the researcher going to collecting the data in various sources like interview, personal interview, to whom suppose I want to know Amit Shah why he came to the BJP party. So this is how could he able to know Amit Shah? So if I directly talk to the Amit Shah or some interview program already attended by Amit Shah, so this is called collection of data. Various sources. It may be primary sources or maybe secondary sources. So now the sixth step is analysis of data analysis method. That means after collection of data, we need to data analyze it. Simply data analysis is systematically analysis of data. Nothing. Systematically analysis of data. Like the collection of data from various sources. It may be primary or it may be secondary sources. So we need to organize it in a systematically way to the particular thing. That means some religious views, some Hindu and Muslim, Christian, Buddhism. So we need to analyze the data in Hindu in separate and Muslim in separate. So male and female. So male in a separate group, female in a separate group. Systematically analyze the data. Number 7 is drawing conclusion. Okay, drawing conclusion. Drawing conclusion means this is the steps where we are going to conduct our hypothesis. That means testing of hypothesis. So this step is we able to know, the researcher able to know the hypothesis stated by in third step of research whether it is a true or whether it is a false. This is called drawing conclusion. On number 8, or the last but not the least, is report finding. That means now the researcher is successfully able to disclose her data or his data to enter universe, enter world after completion of all the 7 steps successfully. Now he able to conclude, and now he able to disclose his data to enter world or universe. Okay, this is all about research process and steps of research problem. Number 1, now we revise it. Number 1 is formulation of research problem. Number 2 is the review of literature. Number 3 is development of hypothesis. Number 4 is research design, where the researcher is going to conduct the research. Number 5 is collection of data collection. Number 6 is data analysis. After collection of data, we analyze it systematically way. This is called data analysis. Number 7 is drawing conclusion. In the steps where we going to conduct our hypothesis, whether our hypothesis is true or false. Number 8 is report findings. The researcher now able to disclose his or her data or the research problem to entire world or universe. This is all about research problem. There are 8 steps of research problems. I hope you all understand.